Hey everyone, Josh Smith, Gotta Be Mobile. I'm here with my neighbor Caden. We're in the 2020 GT-R NISMO and we're about to try out launch control. So this is an option where basically the car's gonna get all amped up and ready to go, and then once we slam on the gas, it's going to take off as fast as it can. So here we go. Another great thing about this is we have huge carbon ceramic brakes, so we're going pretty fast right now and we can stop really quick, so hang on. So I'm not sure the exact distance of that stop, but it was pretty quick.
Yeah, you can tell those shifts are a lot more crisp.
Yeah, and
just listening to it.
And so they changed the R spec. Basically, when you're in R mode, they've changed it. I'm not sure if it's just changed for 2020 or if it's just changed for the NISMO. But yeah, they refined the shifts.
You can tell.
And the other thing that they did, you don't have to, it's supposed to adapt to how you're driving. So in theory, I don't have to change what R mode feels like if I'm going to use R mode in a law-abiding manner, like we just did, or on the track where you want everything. You don't have to toggle all that, which is pretty cool because, you know, ideally if you buy this car, hopefully you're going to take it and drive it, not just stick it in, you know, a garage. I mean, if that's what you want to do, fine, but it's a car that's fun to drive.
Yeah. Yeah, you can tell it's a lot smoother. A lot smoother, actually.
And then it's also supposed to change how the shifts work in terms of downshifting, and especially when you're going in and out of corners. I mean, this is...
It just plants it.
Yeah, it's ridiculous. Yeah. It doesn't, I mean...
It doesn't feel like you're going like 60.
Yeah, it doesn't feel like you're going that fast. Another thing I like about this is they added a little, it seems like they added a little bit of pop, crackle and pop to the exhaust this year, which we didn't have so much last year. 67 pounds lighter, 30% of that is in carbon fiber throughout. And then the rest is from changes to the materials and getting rid of certain parts and stuff like that. And then there's massive carbon ceramic brakes that, I mean, you can stop super quick. They say that the changes offer a 20% faster acceleration response.
Really?
So not 20% faster acceleration, but just as the takeoff. And with launch control, I definitely feel a difference in launch control in this versus the 50th anniversary.
Is it easier to control?
Yeah. And it feels a little quick. It has special 9-spoke wheel, or 9-spoke some snow tires on it. I don't know. I don't know that people would daily it in the winter, but like 3 seasons.
Yeah.
It'd be a nice 3-season vehicle.
Just can't get over how fast it shifts.
Yeah.
It's like.
And I'm not even doing anything there. It's just doing its own thing.
I'm a manual fanboy, but I feel like once you get to the point where it's that fast, it's just as fun.
Yeah. I mean, I think a lot of people aren't going to have the skill to do that.
Yeah.
And I mean, I drive manuals pretty regularly now, but I'm by no means a great manual driver.
You watch car YouTubers.
Yeah.
You watch Street Speed 717.
Yeah.
He had 2019. He has one of the Z06s or
Nice.
Transport, whatever.
Yeah.
Identical car was in a manual, and he beat it by a car length and a half, just because it was the manual versus automatic.
Yeah.
And I mean, the other guy was a really good driver, but I don't think the automatic would be that much faster. That just plants itself.
Yeah. I mean, that all-wheel drive is just. I don't know what my face looked like on that one, because it was kind of like, it starts to get out a little bit, but not. Then it shifts, and it's just like, here we go. And then like these, you can customize all of these to see different stuff. And the company that makes this is Gran Turismo. They made Gran Turismo, the video game. They designed all of these gauges, and so you can choose what's where. Like this is one where you can. You can't do while you're driving, of course, but you can put whatever's most interesting to you. And then I think there's like a stop. Hey everyone, thanks for joining us on a ride in the 2020 Nissan GT-R NISMO. You can head over to Gotta Be Mobile or subscribe for more. Have a great day.